Okay, YouTube, trying to finish out these lights. Had to extend a couple wires because I know they're going to be too short. Well, they was going to be too short. Got the Bluetooth going, but they don't ever send the lights right. So the colors never be right, so I'm going through them. You know, there ain't nothing. So, show y'all real quick. Oh shit, I ain't got this shit plugged up. My fault, y'all, my fault. Do that one more time. Scan the device, found that. Damn. As y'all can see, I got on green. That's red. That's red. That one green. One of these was blue and the other one was yellow, but I'm going through it, so we get it together. So let me go and get back to it. Get from over there. Badass dog. Okay, YouTube. Finish with this pair. Bluetooth. She got the remote. All different phases. Got app. Change colors or whatever. And this customer here, man, he A1 with me. Cut you on. Go green. I don't know if y'all can see it. How good y'all can see it, brother? Oops. That was all me. You know, you can do everything. Put more 10 or whatever in here. Custom, you have your music playing. I can do all 7. You know how we get down over here, Team Schaefer, baby. I had spinning center caps, floating center caps too, for my shit.